Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, man, first and foremost, if y'all are new to the channel, just go down and hit that subscribe button. And while y'all down there, y'all might as well leave a like on the video too, man. And comment down below what else y'all want to see on the channel, how y'all feel about the shoe, first impressions, before we get into it, man. Anyways, with that being said, we're back today with another sneaker review, and as y'all can tell by the box, it is a Jordan 13. And it's a Jordan 13 red Flints, man. So let's quickly break down like the release day and, you know, my first like thoughts of the shoe when seeing it. So release day went pretty well. I was able to pick up multiple pairs from multiple locations. It was a GR. Not a lot of people go after 13s. I'm in New York, so you know, like, we are big into like Jordans. So a lot of people wanted these, and they kind of resemble the Flint. So the Flints is like the OG colorway, and it's navy. I have the pair right here. Yeah, right here. This is like the OG, very clean. Let me give you guys a little comparison too in the video. And then they dropped the red version, which is the one that we're reviewing today. So certain people wanted them because, you know, Jordan brand, when they come out with like a red shoe, they usually do like a blue reverse on it. And then same thing with the blue shoes, they do like a red reverse on it. So yeah, there was just that. Like I said, release was pretty much like pretty easy. You was able to get them like almost anywhere, and there was like restocks and leftovers. So yeah, there was that. It was pretty like smooth sailing. Now getting to the box, this is a Jordan 13 box. If you guys don't know, it's like the OG one. It's a silver. Has like an indentation with the Jordan Jumpman. Nothing else really too spectacular about it. Here's the size tag. As you guys could see, it is a size 9, and it reads Gym Red, Black, Flint, Gray, White. That's the colorway. Retail on these was $190. So yeah, there you have that Jordan 13 retro. So flipping open the box, you guys have the white paper that comes with white or gray paper that comes with all Jordan releases basically, and underneath that we have the shoes right here. So taking a first look at this shoe, it's a pretty nice like sneaker, like what the hell. So, you know, Jordan 13s, it's unique model. Not everybody's cup of tea. Not everybody's gonna like going after like 13s. Like, I believe 14s is still like one of the mainstream models. So this one was before but after like Jordan 12, people started like falling off on Jordans, like liking them. I mean, like I said, like 1 through 14 is just like the retros and classics. After 15, people start forgetting like what they look like. I mean, I fall in the same case. Like from like 16 to 20, I can't even tell the difference, and then after 20, I don't even know what's going on anymore. So yeah, Jordan 13s right here. It is pretty clean, I do have to say, this silhouette and colorway, but like I said, not my cup of tea. So we're just gonna jump into a quick little b-roll, give you guys a little look of the details and everything. You could do your comparisons versus your pair, point out any flaws or anything like that. So let's cut to that, and then come back and break down the whole shoe and the review. Bang. Now coming back from the b-roll, we're just gonna jump into the colorway breakdown and the materials breakdown. So hopefully you guys got, you know, a detailed look at the shoe. Now this is the red Flint, and these are the original Flints. So it's just like I said, the red version of this. So the Flint, I'm guessing, well, not guessing, the Flint is the gray on the sneaker, and it's going around like the whole entire shoe from the back to the mid sole and everything. And that gray is in like a suede or nubuck material. It's actually pretty nice, pretty buttery, and it goes on to the midsole as well. The other colors that they use is white and red. So white is on the toe and the tongue, and that is in leather. Then the red that they have is in this like mesh 3M thing going on, going here and all around. Like Jordan 13s is one of the latter Jordans. Like people started losing interest. People say after the like 12s, but personally I think after the 14s, like it just completely fell off. Like personally, like from 15 to like 20, I get them mixed up, you know what I'm saying? And then after 20, like I don't even know what's going on anymore. So yeah, Jordan 13 is still a pretty unique model to me, and it's really nice for basketball in my opinion. Now the liner is in that red, same thing with the liner on the tongue, and then the Jordan Jumpman on the tongue is black. Also says Jordan right here as a detail. Jordan is stitched in gray with this black tab right here. White laces on this sneaker, and then white and gray make up the midsole. So here they have the white pods. That's the thing that's going on with the 13s, and then also white on the toe. Now the bottom outsole is in this black, white, and red with a carbon fiber shank in the middle and a plate at the bottom of the shoe for like springiness when you play ball. And then they also have this like I forgot what that is called. If you could see it, it's like a hologram thing. It's like a 23. You can see the Jumpman, and then they have another one of those at the bottom with the Jumpman. So yeah, that pretty much breaks down the colorway and the materials. Like I said, materials, they just use leather, mesh, and suede or nubuck. I'm guessing it's nubuck because it's not as suede like. And yeah, that pretty much breaks down the colorway and material. So let's talk about sizing. On Jordan 13s, I would suggest going true to size on them. Like I said, it's not as wide or as bulky as other sneakers, so therefore it's a pretty good basketball sneaker. So I would suggest going true to size on these. Now as for comfort, Jordan 13s, like I said, are one of the more comfortable Jordans. It's actually pretty light, and it's springy. It has like a springy, I'm guessing that's the carbon fiber thing plate on the bottom doing its job, but it's pretty springy, especially when you play ball and when you walk around. So yeah, I'll have to give these like a 7.5 out of 10 as for comfort, man, as opposed to like other Jordans. I give them like a 3, no, not a 3, like a 6, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that pretty much breaks down the whole shoe. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little on feet of the sneaker, and then we're gonna come back, wrap things up with the resale prediction and my final opinions, man. So let's cut to that. Alright, now that we're back from the on feet, hope you guys got a good little look at the shoe. I just wore them with gray Nike Tech because I think that's what looks good with these. You could throw these on with jeans as well. Same thing with these. Like, y'all let me know. Here's a quick little comparison. It's basically the same shoe. This one is just navy or blue, and then this one is red. This is my personal pair. I still haven't worn them yet. As you guys see, I laced them up, but I still haven't worn them yet. Honestly, don't know what to wear with them. Well, honestly, I just haven't been outside to wear them, so you know what I'm saying. And then these, so yeah, y'all let me know which one y'all like more, man. Now, breaking down the resale for this shoe, it's pretty much like every other Jordan Retro GR that comes out that's not a Jordan 1 or a Jordan 4 or any collab. So yeah, like when they first came out, I think the day of, resale was like 260-ish, 270 on certain sizes, 250 on other sizes. So it was like, you was making $30-40 over per shoe, because retail on these is only $190. But then since it's like generally released and it's not like a classic, prices started dropping. So right now it's around like 240, 230-ish. Still not bad. You could make like lunch money on them. So if you guys want, I could drop videos on like my resale predictions before it release, and then you guys could make the money, because now I'm doing a review after release. Everybody got hands on pairs, and now it's a lot harder to move like certain pairs and stuff like that. So yeah, man, resale is pretty much dead on these. You can find them still at stores probably next week. They're gonna restock because, like I said, it's a GR generally released. With that being said, resale is pretty much dead on these as for right now. You could always hold on to retro Jordans, and they're gonna go up to like 275, 300 always. I could pretty much like guarantee that, because you guys could just look at the black and blue pair that came out not too long ago. Resale on those is like 300 now. So this is a better looking sneaker. Same thing with the Flints. I had these for like a year now, I think, and these are like 300s, you know what I'm saying? So these could easily reach 300s within like a couple months. But like I said, it's a lot of capital to be holding, so I would suggest just dumping them. Quick flips on GRs, man. To wrap things up with my final opinions, like I said, I already have the Flints, and since I have the Flints, I won't be, you know, keeping a pair of these in my collection. There's no really need. Like I barely even wear these. Like I still haven't wore these, so why would I keep these? You know what I mean? That's just to each his own. But if you like red more than, you know, blue, you can pick these up. But I'm a blue fan, so got these in the vault, and we're gonna pop them out one day, man. We're gonna pop them out. Might as well use them for basketball. I just been playing ball in Jordans, to be honest. But that pretty much wraps up this video. Comment down below what you guys' opinions are on this sneaker, and leave a like while y'all down there too. And don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.